Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to. So today I'll be teaching you on how to add music to Clipchamp. So the first thing that you'll need to do is you just have to go to Clipchamp and then log in or sign up for an account. Now click on the create a new video. Okay, this one right here. And as you can see at the left side of your screen, you can see bunch of options. So now just click on the content library. Okay, this one right here. And you can also click on the import media. Okay, if your video is not here, so for example, we're going to use the stock videos. So for example, I want to use this one right here, or you just have to click on the new media and then import files. So you can choose the video that you want from your folders. And after that, just click on open. Now let's try to use stock videos. So I want to use this one right here. Let's go to the backgrounds and you just have to drag the video that you want to use and put it right here. And below you can see the add audio, so just click on it. So right here I want to use a stock or free music. Okay, so if you want to use a background music from your library, just click on the new media and then import media and then go to your music and just have to click on the open button. So let's try using a free music. You just have to click on it and then drag this one right here. So if we try to play the video, you can see the background music is playing as well. So you can also adjust the video and the background music, as well as you can cut the background music. And after that, you just have to click on the export button at the top right corner of the screen. And that's a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick how-to videos next time. Adios.